research-grade precision, industrial-grade efficiency. ADTS Desktop DLP Ceramic 3D Printer is tailored for RD and high-end manufacturing, equipped with advanced DLP molding techniques, carried 50mm high-precision UV projector, and coordinated with an upright bottom-up structure. It delivers outstanding printing accuracy and stability. The system integrates a peristaltic pump, dual scraper mechanism, and a circulating material supply system ensure precisely laying and curing of each layer of ceramic slurry, enabling a stable and continuous printing process. With a maximum printing speed of 700 layers per hour, it accelerates research progress and boosts production efficiency. It can ensure efficiently print complex structure, high-precision ceramic parts that meet the strict needs of microstructural control and dimensional accuracy in both research and high-performance industrial applications. It is fully compatible with a wide range of advanced ceramics, including alumina, zirconia, silicon carbide, bioceramics, and piezoceramics, supporting your cutting-edge materials research and application needs. With self-developed smart printing software, preloaded with multiple material process packages, make it easy for one-click printing, lower the operational threshold. In scientific research area, it is widely used for the RD and application of new ceramic materials, expediting formula validation, enabling prototypes of complex structures that traditional methods cannot achieve, and enhancing the impact and publication potential of research outcomes. In industry field, including biomedical, aerospace, electronics, and power sectors, it shortens product development cycles, enables rapid response to customer needs, and supports flexible small batch production. We have served more than 200 partners worldwide, empowering frontier material research, accelerate product transformation. To discover the limitless possibilities of our desktop DLP ceramic 3D printer, welcome to follow us and contact for more information.